guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a plan with me in this notebook that I picked up at Forever 21. Can you believe that? So I'm gonna take it out. And I'm also gonna be using one of these Tombow calligraphy pen that I got as a gift. They are calligraphy pens. I don't know if I just said that, but yeah. So this one is a little bit firmer, and this one is more brush stroke. So I kind of like using this one for now, just because I'm not that great at doing calligraphy. So. And then, of course, I use my regular pen, the Papermate Inkjoy Gel in .7. And I have a few because they run out of ink quickly, so I've purchased many of. So this notebook I actually got from Forever 21. I had a gift card that I was holding on to, and I went to go look to see if there was anything I wanted to buy, and as soon as I walked in, they had this whole table of like stuff for your house, like throw pillows and knickknacks, like little cute stuff for your house. And then they had stationery, they had rose gold binder clips, paper clips. Like Forever 21 is getting into the planner community, definitely. So I saw this notebook and I was like, this notebook was $4.50. It's kind of pricey, but I actually like the paper. It's just plain paper, and it does ghost, but it doesn't bleed through. So yeah, there's a little ghosting, but honestly, I don't really care about that. So I thought this was a good deal, and it is sewn in, which I like because I have been doing the bullet journaling, and most of the bullet journals are sewn in instead of like glued, because you can't lay them flat, which I don't like that. So I picked up about 4 of these with my gift card, and I am in heaven. I love it. So if I get any extra money, I'm gonna go back and try to pick up more just to have for future planning. And they the one that was plain like this, it only comes in this print. At least that was the only one that was there. I didn't ask or anything. There was another print, but that one was lined paper. So if you want lined paper, go for it. And they did have a few more other journals. I didn't really look at them, but they were a lot thicker, kind of more like a regular bullet journal. But I didn't know if the paper inside was plain dotted or lined. I didn't really look at them. I was just so excited about this. So I think I'm gonna leave it like this. I don't think I'm gonna decorate it. I really like this print. It kind of goes with a little of everything because it's only white and gray. So what I wanted to do was do a weekly plan with me. Now I have some stickers in here. This is just one of the Planner Society bags. I will be using Planner Society stickers and some scrap paper that I have for this plan with me. No, I'm not sponsored. I wish I was sponsored, but I love doing plan with me's or craft things, whatever, and I love Planner Society kit. Since I already subscribe to it, I might as well use it, right? So I will be using stickers from the kit. This is just one of the envelopes, and I just cut the end off here and folded it in half so I can keep this in my traveler's notebook, like just to hold stickers, just for extra storage space, I guess. I've made a ton of folders. So this folder is one that I recently made, and I wanted to show you guys because I think it's really cool how it's made. Now this isn't my original idea. I saw it on another YouTuber, but hers was a little bit different, so I kind of tweaked it to fit my needs. So basically it's two well, it's two papers because I had to cut out this one, and it's the little, I don't know, it's kind of hard to explain. But so you have this pocket here, and I did do accordion, which you don't have to do, and then you have a pocket here, and I did do accordion. So, and then here's where you would put it into your traveler's notebook like this. So if you guys want to see a how-to video on how to make one of these, go ahead and drop me a comment or whatever, and I'll get working on a video for that. So let me know if you guys want to see that. So let's get started on the plan with me. I'm probably going to do time-lapse just because I don't have really much to say while I'm planning. If you guys have any questions on any materials that I'm gonna use, well, I can show you what I'm gonna use. If I need to, I'll use this. I've been using the Crayola Super Tip markers, so you can buy these practically anywhere. And then, of course, I'm going to be using Planner Society stickers. I already showed you my pens. Washi tape will either be Planner Society washi tape or just random washi tape that I already have. And I will probably be using glue stick because sometimes this gets too wet and I don't like my paper to warp or anything like that. So this is a good alternative. So I think that is all. I'll be planning for the week that is coming up. I'm not sure if it'll be, yeah, I'll be planning for the week that's coming up. So today is Saturday, so I will start Monday through next Sunday. So I'll be planning for, the week coming up. It is the 17th, I believe, today, or the 16th. I'm not too sure. So, I'm going to go ahead and fast forward and play some music. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.